Zach, I have the best idea. Check it out.
Now baby, give a booty naked, take off all your clothes and like
Keep throwing them in.
Tell her, baby, 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 baby.
I'm on fire.
I tell her, baby, 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 baby. I'm a fireball.
Pros of wildfires. Wildfires reduce excessive amounts of dead vegetation. Without natural fire, such materials build up to levels high enough that eventually a fire would burn through with unnaturally high intensity that would seriously harm the forest ecosystem. Also, wildfires expose mineral soil, which many plants need for reproductive success. In addition, wildfires open up the forest so that sunlight can reach the ground, which many small plants need for reproductive success. Furthermore, wildfires recycle nutrients into the soil, which is good for the plants. Lastly, wildfires help control diseases and insects in both soil and plants.
Some of these cons include the deaths of many animals and plants in a particular area, and some of these plants and animals that die would end discovery of these new species in one ecosystem. In addition, the wildfire releases huge amount of CO2 into the atmosphere, which could lead to global warming because of the greenhouse effect. Also, the wildfire leads to soil erosion due to a lack of trees caused by the wildfire. And lastly, the fire is uncontrolled, and thus it can spread to other ecosystems and destroy that too.
Controlled or prescribed burning is a technique sometimes used in forest management, farming, prairie restoration, or greenhouse gas abatement. Fire is a natural part of both forest and grassland ecology. Controlled fire can be a tool for foresters. Hazard reduction or controlled burning is conducted during the cooler months to reduce the fuel buildup and decrease the likelihood of serious hotter fires. Controlled burning simulates the germination of some desirable forest trees, thus renewing the forest. Some cones, such as those of lodgepole pine and sequoia, are scrutinous, meaning they require heat from fire to open cones to disperse seeds.
Controlled burns can be hazardous to people around them. For example, in Oregon, there was a multi-car collision in which smoke from the field burning near Albany obscured the vision of drivers on Interstate 5, leading to a 23-car collision in which 5 people died and 17 were wounded.